Exposing the secret in earning money with ML and AI. It's not just about big tech jobs. There are way more options than you think. Ready to level up? First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are packed with people looking for ML help. Think data analysis, predictive models, or basic chatbots. Start small, build your profile, and you could land paid gigs faster than you expect. Next, don't overlook internships, even those with a stipend. These aren't just for newbies. They're stepping stones and can lead to long-term, higher-paying roles. If you're feeling entrepreneurial, create and sell micro products. That could mean simple AI-powered tools, custom data sets, or even templates for others to use. Share them on Gumroad or your own site, and you might be surprised by who buys. Love teaching? Tons of learners are just like you were. Offer online tutoring, make bite-sized courses, or answer questions on platforms like Chegg and Udemy. You're not just earning, you're reinforcing your own knowledge. Don't forget hackathons and competitions. Sites like Kaggle host contests with real prize money, plus they're a killer way to build your portfolio. Finally, network. Share projects on LinkedIn, join AI clubs, or volunteer for open source projects. The more you connect, the more opportunities pop up, sometimes in unexpected ways. Bottom line, there's no one-size-fits-all path, so mix and match. Start small, stay curious, and keep leveling up. Your ML and AI skills are more valuable and profitable than you think.